Okay, so I know the title of this video sounds kind of corny, but I was scrolling through YouTube a few months ago and I came across a video of Biaheza, and he talks about how YouTube has the power to control the stock market. In the video, he talks about how Jeremy from Financial Education uploaded a video talking about a stock, and then the subsequent day, that stock jumps more than 20% in value.
I think we're gonna make a killing on this.
The next morning, price jumps 25%. Coincidence? Absolutely not. There weren't any other news that came out about the company other than Jeremy's video, and he even admits this himself.
Absolutely no news about the plan in the past 24 hours, other than some guy did a YouTube video about it, okay?
What I think is happening is over the next course of a few days, people will see the video, buy the stock, typically it's a lower market cap stock, and then the stock will rise because he uploaded a video on it. It's no secret that YouTube, TikTok, and all these other social media sites have definitely had a pull to new investors, especially when there's apps like Robinhood that kind of gamify the whole experience. My question is, what if someone could develop some sort of software that could scrape all of these videos, aggregate them all into one place, and kind of ride the wave as a lot of these YouTubers upload videos talking about the stock? Well, that's just what I did. The way that it works is it will go to YouTube, you give it a keyword or multiple keywords, and it will download all the videos that it finds through the YouTube algorithm and then process the captions to pull out relevant information that it thinks are stocks. It will then take all of this data, aggregate it together, and then put it through some sort of machine learning algorithm to decide which stocks it thinks are going to do well. Right when you open the program, you're greeted with a bar graph of stocks. The x-axis has the list of tickers, and the y-axis reports the number of hits for each video per ticker. The button on the left have a few sorting options. You can sort the videos by upload date, the last 24 hours, by week, or no filter. You can combine these options when filtering with a small cap because this will only show stocks that have a market cap less than 3 billion. The other option is to sort by view count. This will take the instance of the corresponding video's view count and add them together. This applies an accurate weighting for each video as viewers with larger channels get rewarded for having more views. So hold on, I know what you're gonna say. Does this program actually work?
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
And the answers are kind of mixed. On one hand, we can take a look at some of the stocks this program has predicted, and the results really do speak for themselves. Anywhere between 400% and 400% gains, and this is just over a couple weeks. There were some losses, however, the losses weren't nearly as bad, ranging between about 2 and 40%. And this is where I think the real power of this program lies, is with using options. Because if you know that the price is going to go up, or you don't know how much it's going to go up, buy an options contract for that ticker and then sell it only when the option is in the money or at least near the money. If it goes to zero, well then so what? You didn't lose that much money. And of course, when I'm doing these, I'm risking my own money, and I'm usually going in with a pretty small amount, usually only a couple $100. So if I lose it all, it's not like I'm really losing that much. We should also keep in mind that with the Fed just printing money like no tomorrow, a lot of these stocks have been doing well because the entire market itself has been doing well. Another issue with this program is that a lot of the time YouTubers will upload their videos after hours, so there's really no chance to even buy the stock because they've uploaded the video and then the price will already be taken into consideration. But by no means was this created to be 100% accurate. In fact, you could really do the opposite. If you know a bunch of YouTubers are going to be flooding in to buy a certain stock, maybe you could short it instead. But I want to put my money where my mouth is, and I stand behind this to accurately predict stocks, or at least to some degree. Just by taking a look at the top movers today, I'm filming this on January 20th. It's inauguration day, so there's a lot of volatility. If we look at some of the top stocks that this is recommending, we can see SBE, ISR, INUV, OEG, ZOM, RXT. I hold positions in all of those, so over the next few days, over the next few weeks, hopefully this video ages well and those will continue to go up. But I would like to know what you guys think about this. This program is completely free. I'll leave a link for it in the description, and leave me a comment what changes you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.